Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you on how to find the slope of the tangent line at any point x. So in this example I will show you two methods. Obviously the first one you can see that we will use that equation, and the second one is by means of differentiation, the power rule. Alright, so let's use this method first. Okay, so what we will do here is we will substitute that x plus h to x. So this is going to be negative x plus h square plus 3 times x plus h minus 1. So that's just the entire polynomial, and then we just substitute that x plus h to h, and then we just rewrite that polynomial again, plus 3x minus 1 all over h rather. Right, let's expand the 1 on top. So this is going to be x squared, negative x squared. Okay, let's do that later on. Let's distribute the negative later. So plus 2 hx. So x times h is hx times 2 is 2hx plus h squared plus 3x plus 3h. So that's this one. We just distribute the 3 minus 1, and then plus x squared, and then minus 3x, and then plus 1, right? Divided by, or all over, h. Alright, and let's see if we can simplify something here. Now the one on top, I'm not gonna make another, or I'm not gonna write this. I'll just distribute this negative sign here. So I write the equivalent on top. So negative x squared minus 2hx minus h squared. So that's just the equivalent of the first expression. Alright, so let's see if we can cancel terms here. Alright, so you see the negative 1 and the positive 1. I can see the 3x and the negative 3x. What else can we? Oh yes, of course, the negative x squared and the positive x squared. And I think that's it. So I'll just write all those remaining terms, which are negative 2hx minus h squared plus 3h. And then after this, you know that you're doing the right thing is if you were able to factor out the h, like this, minus h plus 3, because you need to cancel that out. There you go. And then we will substitute that h, or 0 to h, so negative 2x minus 0 plus 3, which is equal to negative 2x plus 3. And of course we're not yet done. The next step will be we will substitute this x equals negative 2 to x, and that will be our answer after that. So negative 2 times, so I'll put that here, so negative 2 times negative 2 plus 3. Again, this negative 2 is because of this, right? So that's 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7. Alright, so I think that's a lot of work. You might not like this one, but I believe every math teacher will start with this. But this is the shortcut. So rules of differentiation. Alright, I'll rewrite negative x squared plus 3x minus 1. So first step is this number 2 here, that will be, you put that here, multiply that to negative 1, so that will be negative 2. And then you subtract 1 from 2, that will give you 1, so that's negative 2x. Negative 1, if it's constant, that will be equal to 0. And then you treat that x as 1, so 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Right? And then after that, substitute that negative 2 to x. 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7. Right? Of course, your teacher will also teach this one and maybe will give more details. Alright? So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a good one. Bye bye.